I'm Susan Pilato, CEO of Mantra Inspired Furniture and Created Hardwood.
I'm Phil Hicks, Chief Revenue Officer for Mantra Inspired Furniture and Created Hardwood.
So we're talking today about the inspiration behind our designs that are new this year. This being one of our favorite, the convertible conference table. We call it convertible because it turns into a ping pong table. So after a long day of meeting and sitting around, having conversation, you can stand up and get your juices flowing again by having a simple game of ping pong. And then we also have our cafe table that we did, the Rooted collection. It's got a flat pack design. We did a Canopy conference table, also flat pack design, all solid American hardwood, which is super important to both of us because of the sustainability, because it's American, and because Mother Nature is the best designer.
Absolutely. What's so important about manufacturing and solid wood in this industry, there's so many things to touch base on, but one is the durability. And we're sitting on this table right here, and it's one of those things where people sometimes have experience with solid wood and they're like, yeah, you have to oil it, or it's one of those things that can warp, or it's one of those things that can split. But the way we do our process is we have a factory that's in Northeast Ohio. We have a very, very tried and true drying process. Sometimes it takes over a year for this product to be ready to even put into a kiln. And then once it's ready to roll, we use this awesome polyacrylic urethane finish. It's also Green Guard Gold certified, so it's not going to put off any of those nasty fumes out in the world. So it's really great. And the way we have our products positioned, we've got good, better, and best options. So if somebody wants to do something very custom, we've got our gold grade option. If they want to do something where it's just solid wood and they want to trust us to do what we do best, not as much customization, we've got bronze grade, which is a lot more of a VE option.
Yeah. And talking about VE with wood is pretty interesting because it's still
like
beautiful.
Oxymoron.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So, going back to the sustainability message, there's the value right there. Everything that we make is storing carbon. It's coming from the earth. It's replenishable. And most importantly, we got to start talking about durability when we talk about sustainability. It's here to last for decades, not for a few years. And that's what we're building. We're building something that lasts as a legacy into the years to come. And if you want to change it, you can change it. You can refinish it. You can cut it down. You can repair it. There's so much you can do with this material that you can't with so many other materials. It is the definition of sustainability.
One of our customers, they went laminate on a project and they drilled the screw up through it. Not repairable, that thing's ruined. So they're like, hey, we want to do a solid wood top. Ironically, we've actually had solid wood tops that we have drilled the screw up through before, and it's absolutely repairable. You don't have to start all over and throw that piece in the landfill. So that goes back to the durability and being able to refinish it and turn it into what you see here.
So the new news about the two companies merging together is so exciting because Mantra has been doing all kinds of fun designs. We're commercial designers, so we love branding, we love marketing, we love designing with solid wood, and Created loves working with wood. They have craftsmen in their factory that love what they do every day, and they're creating something new every day because every piece of wood is different. So having the two combined, what strengths Mantra has, we can bring to the table, and what strengths Created has can bring to the table together. Pardon the
no pun.
No pun intended.
Yeah.
But we are really excited about joining forces and where we'll go. It's super exciting because it's American manufacturing at its best.
It really is. And we're keeping, everybody is staying that we have at our factory. That was one of the really great things about this. And it's not like a laminate company is coming in and buying a solid wood company. Laminate you sell on price. Solid wood you sell on value and durability and longevity. Susan gets that, and I saw that early on when we started talking about it. I'm like, okay, we're speaking the same language here. Yeah. This is somebody that, if we do this, is not going to come in and try to change something that's already working. And we can also benefit from all Susan's experience that she has in the design world and all the other accomplishments she's come up with. It's pretty impressive.
And so is Phil. And that's what we love about all this. And talking about American manufacturing and the commercial world, especially with what we do, I mean, it's a bit unique that we're bringing back what has been around hundreds of years ago. We're bringing back into the modern world of commercial design and helping designers understand this is something that they should absolutely consider. There's so much that they can do design-wise that you really haven't been able to do with veneer or plastic laminate or even metal, even though we do have metal designs in our in combination with our wood. But there's just so much, and that's what's so important about bringing the two companies together with American manufacturing. It's natural.